Getting discovered on newer freelance marketplaces can be tricky with so much competition, but it's absolutely possible with the right strategy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get noticed quickly, even on newer platforms, and start landing clients. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer just for viewers of this channel. First off, let's talk about the key to standing out on any freelance marketplace, your profile. It's the first thing potential clients will see, so make sure it's not just a resume, but a detailed showcase of your best work. Start with a catchy headline that clearly defines your skills and experience. Avoid generic terms like freelancer or creative. Be specific. WordPress web designer, specializing in e-commerce, will attract more attention than something vague. Next, make sure your profile picture and description stand out. Your photo should look professional, but not too stiff. People want to connect with a real person, so choose a friendly, approachable image. Your bio should be more than just a list of skills. Focus on the value you bring to clients, how you can solve their problems, meet their goals, and why you're the right fit. Highlight your experience in a way that makes clients feel confident in hiring you. Once your profile is optimized, let's move on to another key factor, leveraging the power of early reviews. On newer freelance marketplaces, getting your first few clients can be challenging, but here's a strategy. Offer your services at a slightly lower rate to your first few clients in exchange for honest reviews. Once you've gathered a few solid reviews, you'll be in a much better position to raise your rates and start attracting higher paying gigs. Another game-changing tip is building your network. On newer platforms, you have to be proactive. Reach out to potential clients through platform messaging, participate in forums or discussions related to your industry, and connect with other freelancers who might have leads or collaboration opportunities. The more active you are, the more visibility you'll get. Now let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: optimizing your gigs or services. Many newer freelance marketplaces use algorithms to rank sellers, so you need to make sure your offerings are highly visible. Research popular keywords in your niche and strategically place them in your gig descriptions, tags, and titles. This will help your services appear in search results when potential clients are browsing. It's also worth noting that some newer platforms offer promotional opportunities like featured listings or paid ads. If the marketplace you're on offers this, consider investing in these options when you're ready to scale. It's a great way to get your profile in front of more eyes quickly. Lastly, consistency is key. You can't expect to post a few gigs and disappear. You need to keep showing up, engaging with potential clients, and offering high-quality services. Clients on newer freelance marketplaces will notice your dedication, and it will pay off over time. To wrap up, getting discovered on newer freelance marketplaces boils down to building a strong profile, gathering those first reviews, networking actively, optimizing your gigs, and remaining consistent in your efforts. And remember, if you're looking to level up your freelancing game, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. You can follow along and get the most out of your efforts. The key takeaway from today's video: the secret to standing out on newer platforms is a mix of strategic visibility and consistency. Optimize your profile, gather reviews early, and be proactive with your outreach and promotion. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial linked in the description. Thanks for watching.